All right, let's do this workout equipment tier list. All right, so the first one we got is literally, I see these on TikTok. Literally, these are the push up. What's it called? The push up plates. I don't know what these are called, but like, literally, these make it so you could do different variants of push ups. I never hit this before. I never bought this before, but like, I'm telling you, these look valid though. I'm telling you, just by the look of this, like, I don't know though. I never used this before. I'm just putting the hoops, hurdles, dude. Like, where are you putting hurdles, dude? At like, literally, if you're a sprinter, dude, these are valid. I'm telling you, if you're trying to run a race, dude, like running from the cops, like I'm not messing with you. But like, I'm saying, y'all trying to uh play track and field or something like that, it's like these are valid. I'm telling you, like I never did track before, so but these are cool though. These are cool though. Jump ropes, uh, like literally, these are this is a good cardio method. I'm telling you, jump ropes cardio is cool, dude. Like but there's so many better ways of cardio, dude. I'm telling you. Like if you don't got cardio, do jump rope. I'm telling you, easy to do. These are another type of hurdles, dude. Like I'm telling you, I don't think I've ever seen these hurdles before. Yeah, I never. What is this, dude? Like, bro, what? Oh, this is the pull-up bar. Valid, dude. Like these are S tiers. Like I'm telling you, I have one in my room. So tough. What is? What type of? Is this a basketball hoop, bro? What is this, my nigga? Oh, this a wall mount pull-up bar. That's what it's saying, bro. This isn't. Aren't these both pull-up bars? I'm confused, dude. Like I never use one of these. Like these are more advanced. Like literally, I'm still learning the gym. But like I'm still on that level. But like I never used this before. These are the the circles, dude. Like I'm telling you, I don't know what these are called, but like I'm telling you, if you're athletic, you could use one of these. Like I'm telling you, and do push-ups. I seen strong ass calisthenic people do it. Like for real. I'm just putting it D because I don't use it. Like I'm telling you, these are not D. Like I'm just gonna skip some of them until I get to something I like. What are these like? Hoops, athletic bands. Like I'm, what's it called? Ab roller. I barely. Sometimes I use the ab roller. Like, but these are valid. This is valid. What's it called? Ab workout. But I don't be hitting the ab roller. I'm telling you. But like, it's a good thing to have. Like I'm telling you, if you have an ab roller, use it. Like I'm telling you. I just don't be hitting it. Blocks. I don't use blocks, bro. I work at Planet Fitness Twin. When have I used block? These are these mats? Mats. If we're talking about mats, these are valid. Like let's say you're doing crunches, you're doing ab workout, you're doing ab workouts, you're doing leg raises, like you're doing all this stuff. Like these are valid. Like I'm telling you, dumbbells valid too. Like I'm telling you, dumbbells are like really the fundamentals like you need. Like I'm telling you, if you have dumbbells and literally yourself, like you literally do workouts. Like I'm telling you, that's all you need is dumbbell. That's all you need. Barbells valid because you could bench press with barbells. Kettlebell valid. Like these are fundamental stuff that are valid. This is a bench, dude. Like you need a bench, dude. I'm telling you, valid S tier, dude. Military vest. I never use a military vest, but like, if you're overweight, these are easy to lose weight with, dude. I'm telling you, because I'm not overweight. I don't really need heavy weight. I don't need to progressively overload with weights because I'm basically almost lean, dude. Like I'm almost there, dude. But like there, I might get some in the future, dude. Like just cause I might want to burn more calories, dude. Like, and it makes things tougher too. Like especially when you're doing push-ups and all that stuff. Like these are valid, dude. Like I'm telling you, these are rip straps or these. Oh, these are wrist straps right here. These are uh dip belt. This is a dip belt. I'm gonna get one of these eventually, but these are valid. What's it called? I don't know what this is, bro. What? I don't know what this is. This is a hand strap or something like that. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Wrist. If this is a wrist wrap, no, wrist wrap is right here though. I don't know what this is. Gloves are valid. I'm telling you, gloves make everything more grippy. Like I'm telling you, Gloves are basically S tier, but I'm saying I'm just put them A tier because you don't need them. But like I'm telling you, they make everything more easy. Same with wrist wraps. Like I'm telling you, it prevents injury. Because I messed up my wrist one of these days. I need to get another wrist wrap. Uh, these are foam rollers. These would be. Oh, this is a foam roller. I don't know what this is, dude. This is a block or something. Wrist curlers. These are valid. But like I got injured, so I gotta put this down a little bit. Because if you do it too much, you mess up your wrist. But they're good to build up your wrist strength. Don't know what this is. Foam rollers. Good to stretch with. Good to bend with spots. But like I'm telling you, good. This is good to work with. Is this a water bottle? Like what is this? I don't know what this is, dude. Bro, what is this? Can I zoom in? I swear there's a way I can zoom in. This looks like a water bottle. I don't know if it's a water bottle or something. I looked it up. It looked like Google saying it's tattoo ink. I don't know what this is. Mouth guard. I'm not a boxer, but like if you're a boxer, this is valid. But I'm telling you, I'm not a boxer, dude. So this is, I don't really like, or this is a breathing guard. This is a breathing guard, I think. I never used one of these, so I'm gonna put this in D tier because I never used it. I need to make another tier list that I never used before. Let me do that right now. Below. There we go. So it's not like I just don't like it, dude. Like I just never use stuff. Literally just move all this stuff down. There we go. What is this? Is this a wrap? Elastic band. What elastic band's right here? I don't know what this is. What's the good one? Elastic bands would be valid. I'm telling you, if you're stretching, these are valid. Like I'm telling you. Uh, elastic balls. These are valid. Like I'm telling you, you can do a lot of workouts with this. But I don't be using these at all, dude. Like I'm telling you, I see girls on this. Like for me, I don't be using these balls. Like for talking about this ball, I use it for abs. This is cool, dude. This is a cool ball. Like, cause you could just go from one side to the other side, do obliques with this. Like this is a valid thing right here. This ball. But this is my ab. This is my what's it called? Tier list. Tell me if you agree with it or not. But like, come on, that's my tier list for gym equipment.